Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we going to make Khanom Jeen Namya in Thailand. Now we are in Thailand. Okay, all the ingredients we use today, right? I introduce one by one. Red shallot, 100 gram of red shallot, 100 gram of garlic, 4 pieces of lemongrass, 1 pieces of garanga, I think about 10-20 gram, and kra chai. I don't know what they call in English. Kra chai, about 200.
Finger root.
Huh?
Finger root.
Okay, finger root, 200 gram. This one put more than the other. You can get the very smell from here. And 20 pieces of dry chili. And today we use really fresh coconut milk. Yeah, after we grate, you can see the coconut shell. And then we squeeze it. And another most important ingredient is mudfish. Yeah, look.
Big fish.
Mudfish.
It's called a mudfish.
Yeah, whole mudfish. I think this one about 400 gram of mudfish. Okay. Okay.
I'm speaking.
This little.
Okay, and then now we're going to make with my grandnephew, Gabriel. Yeah, look, he's my helper today. Okay, now next we squeeze coconut grate. Yeah, we just get from the coconut tree.
And there's also coconut water.
Yeah, okay, we put the water. Okay, enough first. Right. And then we squeeze.
I'm not squishing.
You want to do it? Oh, I forgot to tell. My hand clean.
Wait, if I'm squishing it, I'm using gloves.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we squeeze about 3 times. About 1 liter of coconut milk. Okay, now we squeeze.
Excuse me, I was doing it.
Okay, my helper going to squeeze coconut milk. Okay.
A few moments later.
Done. Okay.
So you just only want the milk. That's it.
Yeah.
Is this easier with the fresh coconut rather than the dried one?
Dry one more easy,
Oh,
but
really?
coconut milk a lot more tasty.
If you do this one.
But it takes time, one thing. That's it. Okay, this amount of coconut milk, yeah, we can get, right?
Ooh, I want to
Yeah.
pour it.
Oh, all that already.
Yeah, and then
that's quick.
we put on the stove, right?
What are you doing?
God, there was a fly on
Yeah, the fry, and then you look our stove for all the day how the people do the cooking. Look, yeah, with the charcoal, and you look, right? Yeah.
Can I pour it in?
Yes. Okay. Okay, we boil the coconut milk, right? And after the coconut milk boil, we put all these ingredients about half an hour. After that, we put mudfish another 15 minutes.
And the mudfish you just put in whole or
The whole one.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
put
wow.
the whole one. Yeah, after everything cooked, we take out all the ingredients and then we use the grinder or use mortar stone.
Making the fire stronger.
With a spoon.
Yeah, I
Is that
pretend.
recently you got a pizza that
Okay,
you're eating over
no,
there?
Gabriel, I pretend like a 60 years old woman. Yeah, do the cooking in the older day. We do like this. Okay?
ไม่มีฝ้าเหรอ
Để cô phải áo vả mà.
Yeah, Joe, I'm hungry. Give me the pizza.
The coconut milk boiling. Yeah, we start to put all the ingredient, right? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. No, don't throw.
I'm not putting my phone.
No, don't throw. Okay. Right. Okay. Let it boil about half an hour. We wait.
Why you do
Yeah.
that? Now you get slapped. Why does that look like half a snake?
Okay. Now half an hour gone. Right. We're going to put the mudfish.
Wait, let me just.
Yeah, this one have clean. We open the bag, take the bone out, but still some bone inside. Yep. And then close the
Close
lid.
it.
Yep. Now we show how to create coconut milk with this one. I don't know what you call this one.
A grape.
Huh?
So,
กระต่าย Yeah.
กระต่าย
called กระต่าย Oh, rabbit. But the shape look like rabbit. ก็ทำไม่ได้ไง
I'll try.
I think this one you cut your finger.
มันคมเหรอ
คม Sweat come out. Oh. Okay, do it. Look. Don't cut yourself. Now we have half an hour gone. Everything already cooked. Okay, we take out from the stove. Right? Okay. Open this one. Oh. Okay, we take out the fish first. Yeah, we split all the ingredients. Okay, let cool down about 10 minutes, and then we use mortar stone, yeah, to crush all this one. And after that, take the fish, just the meat, and use also mortar stone, and put back in the coconut milk, the one we have boiled, right? And then when everything fine, we put all the taste with the fish sauce, and nothing else. Okay, be careful, yeah. This one can get into your eyes. You don't need to be fine. We have to boil it, ใช่ไหมต้มอีกฮะ Yeah, we have to boil it again. Okay, after you grind it, you use the drainer. Yeah, put inside and then boil it. Yeah. And now while we waiting for this one to boil, we take the meat out, the fish meat, and then put in the mortar stone.
It's got a big spine or
Only one big spine. Yeah, the small bone, not really too much. Meat อร่อย
you just threw it out of her gloves. Literally, you just threw it on her clothes.
Yeah.
นี่มันกินปลาได้ไหมกินไม่หมดเลย
ก็เรา
ถ้วยอัน
เราโยนไปถูกก็ถูก Okay, now I take all the meat out from the bone. Leave the head behind. Okay, make it a little bit fine. Okay, helper.
He don't want to be in the shop with
Right.
So what are we doing here?
What we doing here? You mean this
forgot
one? What we
everyone is
call
a-
this one?
I forgot everyone is a lot taller than 2. It's like this, yeah. You just see your chest.
No, we make Khanom Jeen Namya.
Okay.
Right? And then you never try this one before.
No.
Then after you try, you give me the feedback.
I will
You
do
give
that.
me the star.
Of course.
Yeah. And then, take Falang with me. Try all Thai food.
Yes.
Who never eat Thai food before, consider. Or just you eat only a few dishes.
Only a few dishes, yeah.
And now you can try a lot of Thai
Yes.
food. Therefore ต้องใช้มือใช่ไหม
ใช้มือ
Okay, yeah, this one fine enough. And after that, before we put in the what you call curry or the gravy,
Yeah.
before we put in the curry, we double check of the small bone. But only one thing good about mudfish, we don't really have the small bone, only the big spine. Because this one, all the ingredient we boil and then we drain this much left. Or in the gravy, only the taste, the taste of ingredient. And also, if too thick, after we put this one, if too thick, you add more water. Now we just wait for the gravy to be boiled. Look like complicated, look like complicated. And if you do it a few times, and look easy, you can get the healthy food. You can have with rice, you can have with some vegetable. I show you any vegetable you can have.
Oh, dressed very sexy today.
Yeah, I am.
Did you get your hair done?
Not really.
Look like you did.
No, if the people notice, yes. If the people don't notice or just ignore me, then don't know. Then I just double check. You split the meat, check the bone,
ไม่ดีแล้วก็ใส่หม้อไป
and then no bone. Put in. This is my studio in Thailand.
Yim.
You did this the first video can make I have appetite. This one my favorite.
ขายทั้งไทยทั้งมอญ
Thai, but if this one Mon style. But some they don't put coconut milk. You can make without coconut milk or with coconut milk, but I prefer coconut milk. ยังเหลือตั้งเยอะนะ Okay. The meat we put in the pot. Put the fish sauce for the taste. Just the fish sauce, nothing else. Use this one, tablespoon. Put I think about 5 or 6 tablespoons, and then I taste first.
Sure.
5 or 6 tablespoons. I put 5. 1,
I want to put the tablespoon.
2,
Clean.
3, 4,
5.
5. Okay. Then I taste.
ป๊ามาที่นั่น
Me, ow.
ร้อน
One more.
I want to put another tablespoon in.
Perfect. เดือด Very nice. อร่อยมาก
เสร็จแล้วไหม
เสร็จแล้ว look look not too thick not too light
โอเค
okay okay now everything ready to eat we have the vegetable to eat with actually you can eat lots of vegetable you can eat with but today we eat with ลืมนะชื่ออะไรวะ sawtooth coriander this one sawtooth coriander cucumber cashew nut leaf ใบแมงลัก look like basil look like sweet basil or holy basil but not both of them between but this one ใบแมงลัก we call eat with ขนมจีนน้ำยา or you can eat with bean sprout you can eat with long bean any vegetable you like okay now you want me to try first Ui. You put this one on top. Okay.
No, Baba, you gotta stand there.
I want it.
Yeah.
Move back. That's it. How's it?
Oh God! Oh yes! 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 Oh yes!
Out of this world. Now I'm on different world. But I love it. My dinner tonight. You want Lisa to try?
No, that's okay.
อร่อยมากเกเบล Goodbye. Hope you enjoy our video in Thailand. The first video in Thailand or while we come for holiday.
Excuse me, you're eating with your mouth full.
Yeah, I have to be
And
careful with that.
you'll see next video very soon.